Here are Igbo billionaires and their luxurious mansions in their respective villages. The Igbos are known for building super expensive mansions in their hometown. Most people has questioned why do the Igbos spend billions in building such mansion in their village where they only visit once or twice in a year. But the answer is, it is a thing of pride for an Igbo man to have a mansion in his father's land. There is a popular Igbo saying that says, "Akuru no amaronye patarian." It means when the wealth of a man reaches home, his people will know who he is. So today I will be showing you some of these super expensive and luxurious mansions by Igbo billionaires located in their respective villages and its worth. These mansions are state-of-the-art luxurious mansions. These mansions will blow your mind. Sit back and relax as I walk you through some of these billionaires' mansions in their hometown. And if you are new to this channel, do well to subscribe and click on the notification bell icon so you can be notified whenever we drop new videos. And remember, we only drop interesting, educating and exciting content. Welcome to Cheesy Media. When you see this mansion, you probably think that this is Lagos or South Africa. But no, this is Mbise in Imo State, the southeastern part of Nigeria. This edifice belongs to Engineer Francis Mwagogo, aka Vintage Interior Mwachinemere 1 of Mbise. He is the CEO of Vintage Interior, the biggest interior decorator in Nigeria and a major partner of Odogu Bitters and in the Cubana Group. On the 20th December 2023, Lagos Lifestyle was brought down to Mbise for the house opening of this state-of-the-art mansion called the Vintage Manor. The occasion was graced by billionaires from the likes of Obi Kubana, Joey Zaza, E-Money, Kubana Chief Priest, AY and many more. This mansion will blow your mind. It is a true definition of luxury. The mansions have 4 sitting rooms, 8 bedrooms, a cinema room, a gym house, a football pitch, 2 swimming pools, an indoor and an outdoor pool. This mansion is reportedly worth 5 billion naira. Here is a quick tour of this mansion. Like they say, wealth has gone to the youth. This next mansion belongs to an Igbo young billionaire who is just 32 years old. He is Emeka Somono, a young entrepreneur popularly known as Don Choksi. He is the son of the renowned business tycoon, Chief Dr. Patrick Somono, popularly known as Penko. Emeka owns an astonishing edifice in Umuahia, Abia State. The mansion is a beauty to behold. This stunning mansion is a true definition of luxury, taste and comfort. The mansion is reportedly worth 3 billion naira. Here is a quick review of this beautiful edifice. This mansion belongs to the CEO of Seaman Groups of Companies, Sir Emeka Agbanari, aka Ikenobi. This is not just your regular kind of mansion. This is a tourist center. This mansion is located in Inobi, his hometown in Anambra State. The uniqueness of this mansion makes it stand out from others' mansion. The structure, the painting, the style, the gates, the fittings, the interiors is a beauty to behold. Here is a quick tour of this mansion. This mansion is reportedly worth 5 billion naira. On the 2nd of January 2022, Igbo billionaire Mighty One of Umuchu welcomed Obi Kubana to his astonishing mansion in his hometown in Umuchu. Obi Kubana was stunned by the beauty of this edifice. Like they say, there are levels to this money making. Obi Kubana called himself a poor man after visiting this astonishing mansion. The mansion is a true definition of luxury. The interior of this mansion are all good plated and it screams luxury. The mansion is reportedly sitting on a whopping 20 plots of land and is reportedly worth over 6 billion naira. Emeka Okonkwo, who is popularly known as E-Money, he loves living a luxurious and flamboyant lifestyle. E-Money owns a twin astonishing duplexes in his hometown in Uli, Anambra State, Nigeria. The twin mansion is for him and his elder brother KC. The state-of-the-art mansion shows why they call him E-Money. The interior of this mansion screams luxury and it will blow your mind. All the furnitures are all imported and gold-plated. Like they say, the wealth of a man shows and reflects in where he stays. E-Money is a definition of high-class taste and luxury.